We live in a time when many of our communities are in crisis or under attack by white supremacy, sexism, fascism, racism, discrimination, police brutality, colonization, and/or contamination. Are you from a community in crisis? If so, the Digital Resistance 101 Toolkit was created for you. Learn how to assert your digital power now. Digital Resistance 101 is a printable toolkit for communities in crisis who are experiencing ongoing trauma, low economic resources, media censorship, technological divides, and linguistic barriers. All ages and abilities are welcome, and all levels of tech knowledge are invited. The Digital Resistance 101 Toolkit is a printable workbook with years of tried and tested techniques in 5 short lessons. Digital Resistance 101 is rooted in over a decade of resistance on the ground and online. Learn tried and tested Asquatcha techniques to assert digital power to help the community document, digitize, and disseminate the community's story. Learn to construct digital resistance movements that can help the community boost online visibility, raise awareness, grow action-oriented networks, and obtain positive results. Visit www.digitalresistance101.com to buy or trade your copy today.